In this video, I'm going to show you how to find midpoint in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, we have here set of numbers from A1 to A10. Now to calculate midpoint, the formula is we get the sum of these numbers, then we divide it by 2. So to do that, simply locate the cell where you would like to input your midpoint. So let's say in cell A11, and in here type the following formula: equal, type sum, parenthesis, then input the range of cells that are involved in the midpoint finding, A1 to A10, then slash 2. After this, simply click enter. And now the midpoint of numbers from cells A1 up to A10 is 13.5. That's how you get midpoint in Google's spreadsheet. And that's about it. That's how to find midpoint in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.